Hello, I am Roger Burrows. In this video, we will use two Google apps, which are Google Sheets and Google Forms, to create a usable quiz from scratch in under 10 minutes. Our example is a simple states and capitals quiz. In our Google Sheets doc, we will use a Google Apps script to do most of the heavy lifting. I am publishing this video because my app script takes care of two time-consuming tasks. These tasks add considerable time, 1 or 2 hours, to building a quiz in Google Forms. Even when using a Sheet to Forms app that I have tried. The automated tasks are random shuffling the choices horizontally and filling out the answer key. So this improvement allows a simple demo to be done soup to nuts in 10 minutes. I think viewers will find this method easy to adapt to their own quizzes. Please see the links in the description below for access to the app script text and also the step-by-step instruction. Please notice the acknowledgments. The spreadsheet. Step 1, create a new spreadsheet and give it a name like States and Capitals Quiz, as I've done here. We're not going to type in 50 states and capitals, as that would take too long. We'll just go to Wikipedia and grab the table of states and capitals and paste it in. So here we are, ready to grab our list. Here's the states and capitals, Alabama down through Wyoming. We'll copy that, go back to our spreadsheet document. And paste values. Now we can do some cleanup. We'll delete all this junk over here to the right. We don't need that. We'll delete columns B and C. Don't need those. Delete the first 3 rows. And we should be left with 2 columns. States in column A, correct answers in column B. So this will be the format for our sheet that will fit into our quiz. Column A will be the questions, in this case, the state name. Column B will be the correct answer, and column C, D, E, and F will be incorrect distractor choices. So let's make column B a color so we don't get it mixed up and make any changes to it. In column C, we'll use temporarily as a worker column to make column A into a question. Equal which city is the state capital of question mark ampersand A1 face ampersand question mark. Fill that down. Just double click here, grab all these for copying, over to cell A1 and paste values only. Widen out column A now. And we can delete these formulas from column C. Okay, we want to fill C, D, E, and F with other city names. So we'll use the formula from the step-by-step instruction sheet. Albany, that looks like it worked correctly. So we'll copy that to the right, fill that to the right, and then fill down to row 50. Those look good. Let's do a copy and go to cell C1 and paste values only. Now we have a little job to do to clean up any duplicates, which there are about to be some. So we pick a formula for the top of row G, H, I, and J that we'll use as worker columns temporarily. Here's that first formula. These are from the step-by-step instructions. Looks okay. And this one. Okay, Charles Raleigh, Topeka, and Denver. There weren't any duplicates, so those didn't make any changes. Okay, fill these columns down to row 50. Then we can grab all this is without duplicates and paste values into cell C1. And now we have our quiz is ready to write out to the form. The next step is to create the app script. The app script will create the form and actually write out to it each of these questions and their choices. So tools, script editor, we can do Control A and delete what's currently there. Now I'm going to do this off screen to my document that contains the script text that is provided to you, and go back to my app script editor and paste that in and click Save. It asks me for a project name. We could use about anything. We'll do capitals. Their project name as any. Okay. Now we're ready to run. When we click run function popForm, we'll have to go through the Google authorization, typical review permissions. That's me. Advanced, unsafe, and finally we'll get allow. Now the script will start to execute. It created the new Google form, and we'll be writing the questions and choices, multiple choice questions, out to the new form one at a time. It takes about 1 minute to write out the 50 questions, and you don't want to try to open the form while the app script is still running. When the app script completes, this banner will go away as just happened. So I'm going to open the new form in Google Drive. And now we're able to see the form that was created for us. If we wanted to, we could add a question number 1 to what is your name, or any other introductory stuff that you want. And this will start with the first state in capital. In settings, quizzes, we see that this is a quiz. The defaults are different than I like them, so I'm changing them to match what I like. And then you can start taking the quiz. And if you're able to do it correctly, you can go all the way through and get 100%. So this is to summarize, we created a new spreadsheet, put the states and capitals and 4 columns of distractors. We ran an app script, which created a new form quiz, and now it's ready to use. Good luck, and I hope you enjoy this method of speeding up quiz creation. Goodbye.